Um, a lot of you know me from my scrapbook days. And when I say from my scrapbook days, I'm still a scrapbooker. We are all, it doesn't matter if you work in a planner, it doesn't matter if you work in a traveler's notebook. Really, we're all paper crafting, we're all memory keeping, we're documenting, we're telling our stories. And really, the labels we give it don't matter, right? But a lot of you know me from my scrapbooking days where I was doing 12 by 12 layouts and I was doing mini book kits and things like that. My personal style has changed quite a bit over the years, and I don't do as much scrapbooking anymore. But you still see me a couple times a year do a mini book project kit. And I will tell you, anytime a Disney line comes out, you know I'm going to do a mini book project kit with that because just because I know I have a lot of Disney fans because I've been doing Disney mini book project kits for years. So that's the next thing I'm going to show you tonight. And this is on the website too. This starts shipping tomorrow because I'm still proofing the instructions. I write all the instructions and then Becky is formatting them for me. So I haven't even had a chance to prove them yet. So this guy starts shipping tomorrow. But this is the Magic Disney Memories mini book project kit. You'll find it on my website right now. I have used the Simple Stories Say Cheese Happiest Place collection to design this. If you have followed in the paper crafting, scrapbooking industry for a while, there are a lot of companies that have done Disney like or Disney themed collections. Last year, something pretty big happened in the Disney world in that the original Mickey Mouse, Steamboat Willie, entered the public domain. What that means is art is basically given a copyright for 99 years. And once that timing is over, then the art is now public. Anyone can use it. And so you kind of saw a resurgence again in the paper crafting industry of some Disney themed collections coming out because now they were able to use the original version of Mickey Mouse. And so that's what you see here with the Say Cheese Happiest Place collection. Simple Stories did a collection a year and a half ago using kind of that Steamboat Willie look, but this collection is totally different. They have incorporated a ton of color. And if you are a Disney person and you have been hoarding, buying, Disney themed paper collections over the years, you know that it's very traditional. It's pretty much been very traditional red and black and yellow and maybe some blue worked in. But this collection from Simple Stories is super, super colorful, which is really, really nice when you think about going to a Disney park and there's lots of colors, right? Everything there isn't just about Mickey and Minnie. Everything there isn't just red and black. All right. So this mini book project kit, once I show you the completed project, I will show you the contents of the kit. This kit includes full color step-by-step instructions printed that ship with your kit. It also includes a class that I do here on my YouTube channel because this is not one of my collections. This class is not free because you can buy it somewhere else, and I just have to protect my intellectual property. With my Layle by Mail paper crafting collections and season pass, those classes are free because you can only get the product from me. But this one, that class and the instructions are only available if you buy the kit. So this is using one of the new Simple Stories, kind of naked, plain chipboard albums. It is all craft colored, but it is a new flat lay design. What that means is when you open it up, it lays flat. So right off the bat, if you're familiar with the Simple Stories albums, you may notice normally the ring mechanism is here on the spine. It's not. It is over here on the right. That's how they can do kind of that lay flat design. All right. So tons of stuff in the kit, tons of products in the kit. As we get going here, lots of interactive elements, just so many fun things. Simple Stories, and they used to do this years ago. They had a product that they launched with most of their collections. They were pages that fit their albums, and they stopped doing those for a long time. So with this collection, they have included those pages again, and that's one of the items I used in the kit. So you'll see what's coming here. But lots of great fun interactive elements, beautiful color, right? Check out all the color, lots of pockets, room for your photos, memorabilia, right? Even though it's a little bit harder harder to get memorabilia from the Disney parks these days. If you're getting, postcards, if you can't get stickers, you can't get stickers in any Disney park. Tokyo Disney has washi. I don't know if the parks outside of Tokyo have washi, but I know Tokyo Disney does. But receipts, if you are visiting one of the parks that still has printed maps, you can put that kind of memorabilia in your pockets as well. But the color, don't you just love all the color with the collection? I think they did a really great job as they were designing the collection, really bringing in a lot of the colors. So you could work in some of the other characters that you see in the parks besides, the classic Minnie and Mickey that are just red and black. Lots of side pockets and things like that. As I mentioned, I will do a more detailed flip through on this guy tomorrow. So you will see a flip through video if you want to kind of see it a little bit, more up close and in person. But if you are a Disney fan, this is it's a good one. Its collection is wonderful, and really, it's all about documenting the memories, right? Adding on the photos. We take lots of photos. Lord only knows we take plenty of photos. This one has a little top pocket where those pieces pull out of that top pocket. But lots of photos in a project like this for you to, document your photos because we take hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and thousands and thousands and thousands when we're at Disneyland. But a lot of times we don't have a project that we can use to add all of our photos. So, what I started doing a couple of mini book releases ago, I have on the instructions both told you the size photos I used and then stamped what size photos I've used. So it makes it a little bit easier for you if you are wanting to know that. Little belly band there, your little pieces kind of tuck in. So that is the brand new Magic Disney Memories mini book project kit. This new album, you guys, from Simple Stories, these are 2-inch rings. All right, 2-inch rings. So the thing that's important about that, when you notice this, even as it closes, it is really full already, and there are no photos in here, right? So your 2-inch rings make it really nice to, be able to add all the things. Did a little decorating there on the spine, and then even just a nice plain on the back so that naked album doesn't look so naked. And then ribbon too. All right. So let's take a look at the contents of that kit really quickly so you can see everything that is included. The only thing I don't have in here, you also have 2 yards of white crochet thread, kind of white cream, white string for your tag. So you've got a yard of that wired red polka dot ribbon. You have the color step-by-step instructions. This is still the draft, so that's why it's not shipping out tomorrow. That's what I get to do tonight now is go proof everything and make sure that everything looks good. When you take the class, and again, the class comes with the mini book project kit, we go through and work on it together step by step. So I'm making it with you, and the instructions are our friend. So we follow, including me, the instructions very closely. You even have your cutting diagrams and all of that. So those are part of your printed instructions included in the kit. Then I didn't pull an album because I forgot to at the warehouse, but your album, that craft album, also includes 10 pocket pages. So three different configurations, 4 different, I don't remember, 3 or 4 different configurations of the pocket pages that come with the album. You have the chipboard pieces. All right. So these are all non-adhesive. So these are not stickers. These are chipboard pieces. You have 58 pieces in there. So lots of great chipboard pieces to work with. And it's so fun. Don't you love now that we can start seeing Mickey and Minnie in collections like this? And you'll notice like Mickey looks pretty classic. Minnie has to look a little bit different because Minnie, that is what Minnie looked like when Walt originally designed her. That's part of the public domain now. That's why you start to see some companies like Simple Stories being able to use Mickey and Minnie in their collections. You have a half of a 6x8 paper pad. The 6x8 paper pads from Simple Stories include 2 sheets each of 12 different papers. So here you have 1 sheet each of the 12 different 6x8 papers. This is what I was talking about. These are the binder inserts. Okay, so these are all of the great pages that you see kind of already pre-made for you that I showed you in the album, but already pre-punched and everything ready to go for you. So lots of fun with those. And these are all designed for a 6x8 album. All right, we have the foam stickers. Probably my favorite product, Simple Stories. They're foam stickers. They're just like your stickers on steroids. They're nice and foamy and thick. They give you a lot of added dimension without having to use your foam squares or your foam tape. So you have two 6x12 sheets of those guys. Again, bringing in all that wonderful color. I loved this that Amber did with the collection. You have a little bit of kind of a vintage art here. So you've got that, the castle, and then you have an old fashioned or vintage swing, and then an old fashioned or vintage Ferris wheel. So I thought that was a fun kind of addition to the artwork. You have their cardstock stickers. These are two 6x12 stickers, two 6x12 sheets. Word strip stickers, fun border stickers, icons. And then you have 5, 7, I think five. Let's start out with the five. You have, I think five. I guess we'll see. Five of the Say Cheese Happiest Place 12x12 papers. So the 4x6s, the 4x6 cut aparts with that fun kind of scattered polka dot. It's a great representation of the colors in the collection. You have the tag elements. You have a polka dot. Another kind of scattered polka dot with a really fun horizontal stripe, kind of stitching elements there. You have the journal elements. So these are your, again, your cut aparts, but different sizes. Room for lots of writing on those because writing in your projects is important too, friends, even if you hate your writing. Okay, you look at that. We all know exactly what that is. If you're a Disney fan, you know exactly what that is. That's Small World, right? It's a small world, but in a Simple Stories way. Isn't that great? Such a fun pattern. And then you have the 3x4 cut apart cards. And then you have kind of a different type of firework on the backside, because at night, the fireworks, you got to capture those in your photos and telling your story from the day or the week, whatever it is. This one's super fun. This one, all your different kind of fun words: souvenirs, smiles, vacation, a blast, good vibes, today, happiness, magical, and what have you. And then on the backside, you have the teal kind of tone on tone stars. So all of those things are included in your kit, plus two more things. One of them, actually, both are on the front side, they look the same. This is my Layle By Mail 12x12 white grid paper. And you'll notice those little guys, if you can see it, that's light blue. And it's kind of a dot, little dots that are making up your grid there instead of a line. That is double-sided, so you have that on both sides. And then you have this. This is a bonus. This is a bonus courtesy of my printer. It looks exactly the same on this side, right? White grid. But look what's on the other side. The postcards and passports mini paper collection cover. My printer accidentally printed way too many of these. And he said, "Do you want these?" And I said, "Sure," because I don't care about this part. I care about this part, right? So the way that I've used this second sheet in your kit, and it's bonus, the way I've used that second sheet in your kit is places like this on the spine where you're not seeing the backside, and on the back where you're again not seeing that backside. So lots of papers in the kit between 6x8, 12x12, lots of great embellishments, stickers, foam stickers, chipboard, those fun snap pages that we looked at. And yeah, so that is the Magic Disney Memories mini book project kit. You will see you will see three more mini book project kits from me this year. You will see a travel one in the next couple of weeks with my new travel collection that releases on May 1st. You will see, let's rotate the camera. Let's rotate the camera. Look, Reggie's so good. He's sitting in his little bucket over there. He came